What's going on, guys? It's Salik here from the Silicon Nation, here to do a tutorial on how to block the internet connection for certain applications using a very clever utility found in the control panel called Windows Firewall. Now, this is a very simple tutorial, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. What you want to do first is open up Control Panel. Over here, I am currently using Windows 8, so it might be a little bit different than if you're using Windows 7 or Windows Vista. However, the actions are the same. I believe in Windows 7 and Windows Vista, you want to try to get to the System Security Panel as soon as you get to the Control Panel application. However, in Windows 8, it's directly right here. Windows Firewall is a direct link. On the System and Security Panel in Windows 7 and Windows Vista, Windows Firewall should be a link as soon as you click on System and System Security. Okay, so let's click on Windows Firewall. It starts it up. Okay. So what you want to do on the left pane, you see Advanced Settings. Go ahead and click on that, please. And it starts up Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. Now what you want to do now is go to the Inbound Rules section. Let's go ahead and click on that. What you want to do now is start a new rule for the Inbound Rules section. So what kind of thing do you want to create? Right now I want to block the internet access for a certain program that I may have. Let's go next. The program's path is, okay, let's just find a program. This is where you find the exe file of the program that you're trying to block. So let's go, okay, let's say I just want to block, one of these Adobe applications that I have. Let's say I want to block After Effects, okay. No, there it is, got it. After Effects, the application exe file is right there. Go ahead, open that up, next. Now, what I'm trying to do here is block the connection. So the first two options are not really what I want to do here. So I'll just go to block the connection completely all the time. So that application never receives any sort of internet data ever. Go ahead and press next. Now here it's asking me when do I want this rule to be applied. Domain, which would be when you're connected to a corporate connection. Private is obviously at home, or public is when you're connected to like a library or a coffee shop. Now you want to tick all of these so that the application is never connected to the internet. Next, now let's try to name this. What application that I blocked? I blocked After Effects. After Effects Internet Block. That's it. Let's name it. If you want to type an optional description, you can. I'm not going to. But this helps you. If you ever want to change this rule, and if you ever want to disable it, this helps you know what type of rule and what type of application this rule affected. Let's go ahead and press finish. Let's see if it did its job. Let's go back to the Windows Firewall settings. Should be at the top. After Effects Internet Block is stated right there. Let's see what it did. It's enabled currently, so that's what we wanted. And its action is to block the internet. That's good. That's what we wanted. And let's see what program it used. This should be the address to the exe file. Let's find it. Okay, it's right there. See? It's blocking the internet access to that. Now let's recap what we just did here. We go to the inbound rules. We go to new rule. Program, obviously, and we go to program path, browse, find the exe file of the program that you want to disable. It could be in your C drive, or it could be any of the drives that you may have on your computer. Just find the exe file, put it here, next, create the name for the rule, block the connection, and tick all of the locations where you might have internet connection, and that's it. It blocks the connection to that certain application. Now the question comes up: why would someone want to block the internet access to a certain application? Well, we live a pirate's life, and you know what I'm talking about. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Okay, well that's been it. This has been Salik from the Silicon Nation, here to giving you a tutorial on how to block the internet access for certain applications. Comment, rate, or subscribe. It really does help us grow as a channel. And thumbs up for this amazing wallpaper, Batman wallpaper that I have. Alright, until the next video, bye.